So you are interested in iRobot Roomba 675. No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 robotic vacuums on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 robotic vacuums, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the iRobot Roomba 675. There are a few reasons to look carefully at the iRobot Roomba 675. The Roomba 671 is a Wi-Fi connected smart robotic vacuum cleaner, allows you to operate from remote using a phone or tablet, works with the Alexa and Google voice activated speaker, schedule up to 7 days. With the iAdapt responsive navigation technology, this enables the Roomba 691 to find its way around the room, ensuring every area is covered for a complete clean. Navigates under and around furniture and over loose cords without damaging household objects. The Roomba avoids stairs with its built-in cliff sensors. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.